It's us.
Hey, what's up YouTube? We back with another video. This time I'm actually going to give you guys a voiceover. Before we get started, like, comment, and subscribe, and comment on how you think this haircut came out. I think it came out fire to me. Okay, what we're doing right now is, what you want to do is comb out the hairbrush or pick out the hair if it's long. So what we're doing right now is just combing out the hair. I got it playing it 2 times for y'all, so it'll be a quicker video, and you could watch it in a shorter amount of time. Right now, you just sit in your ball guideline, and I'll be back. Right here, we're going in with our full shaver. You really don't have to have a professional one, but what I do help for is that you actually get one. So I recommend getting one. That's the best option. But I ordered this one off Temu for like $12. You can get it off there. So if you got like a good $12. Right here, I was cleaning up a little hair that I saw along his nape and sideburn area. So I had to clean that up real quick. And now we're going with a 1 open across all along, the area that I'm fading. And I'll be back to you guys once I'm done cutting down this area. Okay, right here, y'all, we're gonna go in with the no guard lever open. I'm using my Wahl seniors to set this in. I'm gonna be going all along the side of his head so we can start this fading process. Well, I'll get back to you guys once I'm done with this. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me how the haircut came out. I really love how this haircut came out. It was all natural, no enhancements. We're gonna keep it rolling. Let's get to 50 subscribers so I can start live streaming for y'all. And once we hit 50, we're gonna go for that 75, then we're gonna go for 100. Let's keep it going, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, man. Let's do it. we're back. We're taking our one guard lever open, and yes, I'm gonna go all the way up to his parting section. I recommend that you get a like for any dreadhead or people or a male with long hair, like get your hair done before you get your hair cut. That is literally the best option for you to do. You'll have cleaner haircuts, and then your hair is already done beforehand. So you'll have a clean cut. Once you feel good, you get your hair done or you get your hair fixed, man, you'll be feeling good. You put on a nice clean fit with it. So yeah, we're going all along on the side so we can fade him up. And I'll get back to you once I'm done fading this, doing this one step. Now what you do on this part here, this is lightly going to take it out. I'm taking my Wahl seniors and closing my lever with the one guard open. You keep your one guard open to lightly to make the fade start fading. This is where the fade start fading for you. Also, make sure to brush any area that you're fading. So right here, we're gonna take our half guard, and then it's lever closed, half guard lever closed on my Wahl seniors, and this should eradicate that line or erase. That should erase that middle line that you're fading, that you just went across with the one guard closed. So this is gonna take that line out. Hey man, I don't know about y'all, but go ahead and subscribe to this channel. I'm trying to reach as many people as I can. We have 42 subscribers, so let's hit 50, bro. We 8 away. Smash that subscribe button, man. What is you waiting on? Join the Fade fam. Okay, so right here we go no guard, and then you just fully close it and flick at that bottom line, and that should take it out entirely. Also, don't forget throughout my steps, I open up the lever as you go up. Don't just keep the lever the same, because then you'll end up cutting off too much hair. Then you can potentially mess up your fade that way. Open up that lever as you go up. I do mine in fourths. All the way open, 25%, 50, halfway, 75%, three quarters, and then fully closed as a 100. Just take it, practice it. That's all you have to do. Just simply practice it over and over. If you have friends, try to cut their hair. If they don't let you cut their hair, that's fine. Just keep trying and asking them. I did the same thing with my friends. They wouldn't let me cut their hair, but now I cut their hair, and they absolutely love how their hair comes out every time. So just, make sure you open up that lever as you go up. It's simply a little lever play, or you could do it in thirds. I also do it in thirds. You could try it in thirds. Either you do all the way open. Well, in this current situation, take it, you'll go close halfway, and then all the way open. That's how you would do it in thirds. That's what I did on this cut. I did it in thirds on this cut. Okay, right here I did one guard lever close, so I would take out any dark spots in the blend and mainly towards where his parting is to help that blend just pop out more. As you might be able to see it, but right where I'm attacking it, I'm using strictly corner to attack these areas and take out those little dark spots. Okay, so now we start our lineup prep. How I do my lineup prep, I do on this one, I did one guard closed on his tapered line. But what I normally do is, what I recommend is one guard open with whatever clipper that you have. And, go over it, at least 2-3 times to make sure the hair, is, taken off. And make sure you brush and comb through it, brush and or comb through it. And as you see on my lineup prep, what I do is I take my alcohol and spray on a napkin, to wet it, and then I rub it against the forehead as you see right now. I did it for a little minute, I'm not gonna lie. But then I also fold it again to dry the forehead off very quickly because I don't have a blow dryer. And now I took my got to be glue spray and sprayed it across his forehead so those hairs can sit and stay. You can use that or spritz to hold the hair down for lineups. And that is my lineup prep. ear, make sure when you line someone up, start in the middle so it'd be easier to work side to side. If you go side to the other side, it's gonna most likely, the chances are higher of it being uneven or greater that way. And this is gonna wrap it up for this video because my camera unfortunately ran out of space and the video just cut off. I thank you guys.